Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Sunday, November 25th. Kingman, Kansas here. We got a nice little winter storm coming through, and it looks like a blizzard. I mean, it ain't snowing all that much, but the wind is a howling. Yeah, it's probably 30 mile an hour, I think. I don't know, I haven't checked. But I figured, hell, why not do something stupid? Let's do some fishing. So, I got my poles in the water. I'm probably only going to sit an hour just for the heck of it. And we'll see if we get a bite or not. I mean, the water ain't moving all that much, but the wind is just a howling. I mean, it looks like a dang blizzard over here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but yeah, it's coming down good. So I got poles in the water. I probably said that already. So let's wait for, oh, we got a fish on. Fish on, fish on. Nope, I lied. It was just getting a bite. In this weather, it's kind of hard to tell because we got the wind is blowing to the southeast, so it's making the poles go to the side. But this one here, it was going straight down. So we'll give it a couple minutes and we'll check it. Well, been down here about 20 minutes or so, and I'm already getting bites. I think what's going on is if the little ones are active. I think that's what was hitting on that pole right there. Because I mean, they had a couple good hits, real good hits, but it just started to turn the bait off the hook. So it's got to be little ones. Oh, that's exciting. I wasn't recording. We got one. First little blizzard cat. Well, at least we can say we didn't get skunked today. Come on. There we go. So, what are you getting? So I sat for about an hour and a half. Caught one little channel cat. Had a bunch of other little bites. I think what's going on is all the big ones are done fattening up for the winter and haven't been all that active, and all the little ones are starting to get more active. So I think that's all I've been getting here the past week or so, is just hits from the smaller channel cat. And I like to use a 2/0 hook. I think that's the smallest I'll go for that pond, because I mean majority of them will be the little, you know, pound, half a pound, somewhere in that range, maybe a 2 pound here and there. But I hate to use anything smaller than a 2/0 for, you know, if I were to hook up, you know, the 5 to 10 pounder, I mean, I ideally reduce the risk of gut hooking it. And, you know, if you have any tips, suggestions, feel free. But that's the way I'd think about it, because I don't want to use a small hook for the risk of gut hooking, you know, the bigger fish. Because I know they're in there, I've caught them. It's just gotta, I don't know. So if you got any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, it's 29 degrees. We got 30-mile-an-hour winds, plus the wind gusts, which are killer. You know, I'm all nice and toasty, except for my toes. Don't you hate that? I hate it when my toes get cold. I need to invest in some insulated boots. So I had a pair, but they had a big old hole in the sole of them, so they got trashed. And all I got is these cheap rubber boots I picked up from Academy Sports for 30 bucks. I mean, they're rain boots basically. I mean, they keep my feet dry, which I love, but they're not very warm. Either that or I need to invest in some warmer socks, because the socks I thought were insulated aren't very insulated. But no, if you get out in this weather, wherever you're at, if you're getting it, be safe. If you're traveling, drive safe, take it slow. I mean, I don't know what your conditions are like, but I know here in town it was almost 70 degrees yesterday, and then it dropped to 29 today. You know, the ground and the road still pretty warm, still warm enough that the snow on the roads, it's basically straight slush right now. So the roads are slick, some of it's packed down, some of it's not, some of it's clear. So, but if you get out in this weather, be safe, have fun. I might try again tonight when the wife gets home from work. So, yeah, have a good day, have a good weekend, whenever. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. So, we'll see you next time.